Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about W coin update and listing date. Sorry, I didn't make a video about this W coin listing date. In this video, I'm going to clarify everything you need to know about the blue coin listing date. Should you pay the ton that they are asking for gas fee, or you should not pay? I'm going to discuss it in this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end and do not skip any part of this video. Alright guys, I all welcome you to this month of May. May this month of May bring more USDT to us in the name of Jesus Christ. So guys, before I continue, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well and support me by subscribing to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop video like this, you will be the first to notify. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and let's interact in the comment section. So guys, this W coin is supposed to list on the 29th of April 2025, but this community, this W coin, they did not list the airdrop on the 29th of May, and you know they have shifted this listing date about 3 to 4 times ago, but up to now no any confirmation of exchanges and no any confirmation of date that have been announced by them. So once you log into their Telegram mini app, you are going to notice that they have not yet convert our balance to token. So this is the question that I know most of you will be asking: is this our token, or they are going to convert our point to token? Because they're supposed to convert our point to token, but now there is no any conversion that have been made. So does that mean that they are going to convert it, or this is our token? So guys, this is my honest opinion about this W. They are going to convert this point to token. This is how to check whether you are eligible for the airdrop. You are going to click on this icon. Then here you can see that W coin airdrop. Get ready to the most massive blue event ever. Then here you can see that airdrop conditions: connected ton wallet, complete 50 tags, 100 taps, 100 WAI balance, 3 W skin, 20 open W chest, and 3 mate O galaxy. And here you can see that I'm eligible. So I'm going to show you how to complete these tasks if you are not eligible for the airdrop. So I'm going to go ahead and click on claim. So once I click on claim, and here you can see that for me to claim my W coin point or token, you can see that they are asking for 1 ton or 179 star. You know, it's crazy when you see scam face to face. So I'm advising you not to pay this ton. So any Telegram airdrop that is asking you for 1 ton for gas fee, do not pay, or for claim fee, do not pay. I'm advising you not to pay any ton fee in this W coin, because this is how they are scamming the community. And once you come back here, you can notice that there is a ticket here ongoing. Once you click on this ticket, and once you click on it, here you can see that this ticket is called the Safiha ticket, and they are asking the community to purchase this ticket. And once you click on enter here, you can see that they are asking for 1 ton. What is wrong with this W coin? I mean, they have extort money from users by bringing in different tickets just to get the users to interact and chop their money. This is pure wickedness. I'm advising you not to pay for this ticket and for anything on the blue coin, because you can see once you click on this love icon, you can see that they are still asking for money. And once you click on this question mark here, you can see that still they are asking for money, and everything they are asking is 1 ton above. You can see that this airdrop is a scam, and if you remember, I make a video that W coin is a scam airdrop. So there is no doubt about this W coin, and I do not see any future of this W coin because they are going to extort money from users and run away, and at the end they are not going to distribute a tangible token for you to get what you have spent. And mining is going to stop in 4 days, and here you can see this is the post they made on the 1st of May. You can see that W mining shut down in 7 days time, and at the time of recording this video we are only left with 4 days to the end of mining. So mining is going to stop in 4 days time. That means after this mining have stopped, then they will go ahead with the distribution of the token, and then they are going to announce the exchanges that they are going to list this token. And I hear a rumor that BitGet exchange is going to list this token, and you know, any airdrop that got listed on BitGet exchanges, most of these airdrop are just dust. So I'm advising you not to pay anything on W coin. So this is how to complete this task if you are not eligible. The first one is this WAI. So what they are saying is that you should have up to 100 of this WAI. You are going to be mining this WAI every 8 hours. You can mine this WAI 3 times a day for you to accumulate up to 100 WAI. And for you to upgrade this WAI, you need to invite a friend. And once you come back to your dashboard, you are going to click on this tax section. Once you click on this tax section, so this is where you are going to complete this 50 tax. You can see we have the YouTube tax, we have the pre-listing tax, we have the active tax. So in these places you can complete up to 50 tax. So another eligibility tax is for you to click on this boost section. Once you click on this boost section, then you are going to scroll down. So once you scroll down, you are going to see free W skin here that you can claim is for free. So you can go ahead and claim this W skin. It's for free. You are not going to spend any dime. Go ahead and claim it. So another criteria is for you to click on this W treasure. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to this interface. Then you are going to click somewhere around here, and once you click on it, it's going to take you to this interface. So this is the W treasure they are talking about, that you should open at least 20 of this W treasure. So you are going to open it. If you have this key, you can open any boxes here of your choice. For you to open this one, you need to have up to 20 key, 40 key, 10 key to open any boxes here. So you can go ahead and purchase it, but I'm not advising you to do that. And another one is for you to click on this boost section. Once you click on this boost, you click on full battery, and then you are going to click on claim. This is for free. Then you will go ahead and tap up to 100. That's another eligibility criteria, and I know most of you have passed. Another one is for you to click on this icon. Then you are going to invite up to 3 friends, or you should purchase W Galaxy. And the other criteria is for you to connect your Ton wallet. So how are you going to connect your Ton wallet? You are going to click on this icon. Once you click on this icon, then you are going to scroll down and you are going to see connect wallet here. So you are going to click on this connect wallet. Then you are going to select your Ton wallet and connect it. So once you complete all these airdrop criteria, then you are going to be eligible for the W coin airdrop. So guys, that is all for W coin. Do not spend any dime on W coin.